Hey guys! To assemble this unicorn topper, we start with the smallest pieces. In this case, the horn and the eye are the pieces that should preferably be glued with silicone. I always like to work this way, starting with the smallest and in an orderly way, so I avoid losing small pieces. If you want to place the unicorn on top of a cake, you must glue the transparent stick in this step, so it will not be seen from behind. We must stick the double-sided foam tape on the back of each piece to give height to the unicorn. This is a beautiful unicorn designed to be a cake topper. You can put it in front or on top, but it can also be used as a decoration for the children's room or decorate parties. The file is available in my Etsy shop and you can find the link in the description. Take into account that in the horn part behind the gold color, you must add 3 layers of double-sided foam tape so that it gives us enough height to reach the white piece. This unicorn is like a puzzle and it fits perfectly. The 3 small elongated pieces that stand alone go in the lower left part of the neck. And the wavy golden piece goes at the bottom of the hair as I show it in the video. It is glued with 3 layers of double-sided foam tape so that it reaches the purple color and is on top. Lastly, I placed some beautiful rhinestones of various sizes to give it that luxurious touch. And that's it. In less than 20 minutes, you can put together this project.